The accelerometer is one of the most basic yet most important sensors in your phone. It detects movement and orientation by measuring acceleration forces. This is how your phone knows whether you're holding it in portrait or landscape mode and rotates the screen automatically. Fitness apps use it to count steps. Some apps use it for shake to undo actions. And many mobile games rely on it so you can control characters or vehicles simply by tilting your phone. The gyroscope works together with the accelerometer to provide much more precise information about rotation and direction. It measures how your phone is spinning in space, which is crucial for VR headsets, AR applications, and 360-degree videos, where even tiny movements matter. When you watch YouTube in VR mode or steer a racing game by turning your phone like a steering wheel, that's the gyroscope in action. It also helps stabilize videos when you're recording while moving. Proximity sensor. The proximity sensor detects when something is close to your screen, usually using infrared light. The most common example is during phone calls. When you bring the phone to your ear, the sensor turns off the display so you don't accidentally press buttons with your face. It's also used for pocket mode, preventing unwanted touches when your phone is in your pocket or bag. Barometer. The barometer inside your phone measures air pressure. By tracking small pressure changes, it can estimate your altitude. This is useful for fitness tracking, such as counting how many floors you've climbed. It also improves GPS accuracy by adding vertical positioning data, which is especially helpful in tall buildings or mountainous areas. Some weather apps even use this data to provide more localized forecasts. Ambient light sensor. This sensor measures the brightness of your surroundings and automatically adjusts your screen brightness. When you step outside into bright sunlight, the display becomes brighter so it stays readable. When you move into a dark room, it dims to protect your eyes and save battery life. Without this sensor, you'd have to adjust brightness manually all the time. Magnetometer. The magnetometer acts as a digital compass by detecting Earth's magnetic field. It tells your phone which direction you're facing, which is essential for navigation apps. Without it, your map could show your location, but wouldn't know whether you're facing north, south, east, or west. Games like Pokemon Go also use it so your character faces the correct direction. Temperature sensor. This sensor often confuses people. The temperature sensor in smartphones does not measure room temperature or weather conditions. Instead, it monitors the internal temperature of your device, especially the battery and processor. This allows the phone to protect itself from overheating during gaming, charging, or heavy usage. If temperatures rise too high, the system may slow performance or pause charging to prevent damage. GPS sensor. GPS uses signals from satellites orbiting Earth to determine your exact location, often within just a few meters. It's the reason apps like Google Maps, Uber, and food delivery services can guide you precisely. Fitness apps use GPS to track running and cycling routes, and augmented reality games rely on it to place digital objects on real-world maps. Hall effect sensor. The Hall effect sensor detects magnetic fields and is commonly used with magnetic phone accessories. For example, flip covers and smart cases contain small magnets. When you close the cover, the sensor detects the magnet and automatically locks the screen. It's a simple but very effective feature. Thermometer. Some smartphones also include a thermometer that measures the surrounding air temperature. This is different from the internal temperature sensor. It can be used by weather or health apps, but it's not very common today because the phone's own heat can affect accuracy. NFC, Near Field Communication. NFC allows your phone to exchange small amounts of data with nearby devices simply by bringing them close together. The most popular use is contactless payments. Just tap your phone on a payment terminal. NFC is also used for quick Bluetooth pairing, scanning transport cards, and sharing contact details with a tap. Bluetooth is the backbone of short-range wireless communication. It connects your phone to headphones, speakers, smartwatches, fitness bands, and car systems. Modern Bluetooth versions are faster, more stable, and can connect multiple devices at once. Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, is used by fitness trackers and smart home devices to conserve battery while staying connected. Fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor uses capacitive or optical scanners to read the unique ridges of your fingerprint. It provides a fast and secure way to unlock your phone or authorize payments without entering a password. Some phones place it on the back, some on the power button, and newer models hide it under the display. Facial recognition sensors. Facial recognition systems use a combination of cameras, infrared sensors, and dot projectors to create a 3D map of your face. Unlike basic photo-based unlocking, this method works in the dark and is much more secure. A quick glance unlocks your phone, and it's also used to approve app logins and payments. Wi-Fi positioning. Beyond providing internet access, Wi-Fi can also be used for indoor positioning. When GPS signals are weak, such as in malls, airports, or large buildings, apps can use Wi-Fi signals to estimate your location. That's why navigation can still work indoors. Heart rate sensor. This sensor uses light, usually shining through your fingertip, to detect blood flow and calculate your heart rate. It was popular in older Samsung Galaxy phones and fitness-focused devices. Paired with health apps, it allowed users to track heart rate during workouts or measure resting pulse. IR blaster. The infrared blaster turns your phone into a universal remote. It sends infrared signals similar to a TV remote control. With compatible apps, you could control TVs, air conditioners, projectors, and other appliances directly from your phone. While rare today, it was a favorite feature in earlier smartphones.